All right, we're back here with another TikTok video from another real estate agent. Check this out. She's got some tips here. I think we've seen her before. Let's take a look and see what we can learn.
That increases the chance of a house selling is cleanliness every single time. Even if your house is dated, even if it's not the best floor plan, if it is squeaky clean, every single place in that house is clean. There's no dust on the water heater. The ducts are all clean. The vents are clean. There's no grease on the cabinets. The wall plates are clean.
Yeah, it's so true. I learned this a long time ago. Deep cleaning goes a really long way. Neat and tidy also, but that they kind of go hand in hand. Things that you don't think about, the HVAC ducts, the cover plates. How about the light switches? When was the last time you looked at the light switches in your house, especially in areas like the kitchen or living areas that get a lot of use? They get really grimy. And whilst they, in some cases, people may not actually notice that at a conscious level, they absolutely notice it at a subconscious level. So take a really close look at everything. It's worth the investment of your time or the investment of your money if you're hiring someone to do it.
Every single thing. And your house will sell for more money every time. People judge homes the moment they walk in the door.
Absolutely.
If they stink like cat pee, they have a judgment of that.
Hey, by the way, here's a great tip. If your house stinks like cat pee, as she is saying, or pets or cooking odors, there's a product on the market called Odoban, Odoban. I would get basically the non-scented version of that, and it works at the enzymatic level, and it is very good at getting rid of household odors. Don't try to mask them. Don't use those plugins because that actually makes it worse. No sprays, no plugins, nothing like that, but get rid of the odors along with that deep clean, because you don't have to have the most updated house out there. But if your home is super clean, it goes a very long way.
If it smells like BO, they have a judgment of that. If it smells like cooked fish, they have a judgment of that.
Yes.
So everything that you can do to remove that judgment, that is what you should do, cleanliness and smell-wise. One more thing. If you don't like to clean, just get someone to come and deep clean your house before you list it. Then you only have to maintain it. And most of the time, a cleanliness issue is going to make the buyer go to a different house. Last time you were looking at homes, how many houses had cleanliness issues? And did you buy one like that, or did you move to the next one? Questions asked me. Follow for more tips from your real estate bestie.
Yeah, so that's absolutely true. Neat and clean goes a very long way, but here's something I learned a long time ago in this business. The definition of neat and clean is a very subjective definition. So if you're not sure, ask a friend and tell them, hey, you're not going to hurt my feelings, right? Ask your real estate agent and just say up front, you're not going to hurt my feelings if you tell me some other things that I may have missed or that need to get done. Really, really important. Neat and clean and no odors goes a super long way. Comment below, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys on the next one.